If you've got a stack of handwritten notes and no idea how to turn them into something useful, Gemini can read your photos and turn them into a study guide, flashcards, or a full organized summary in seconds. First, photograph your notes. Take one photo per page, hold your phone flat above the page so the text isn't at an angle, and make sure the lighting is clear with no shadows. Gemini reads the handwriting directly from the photo. The cleaner the image, the more accurate the result. Open the Gemini app on your phone, or go to gemini.google.com on your computer. Tap or click the attachment icon next to the text field. Select all your note photos at once. You can upload multiple pages in one go. You'll see the thumbnails appear in the chat bar, ready to submit with your prompt. Type your prompt. I'll ask Gemini to create a study guide from the notes and skip anything basic. Hit send. In seconds, Gemini reads the handwriting, understands the content, and produces a structured study guide, headers, bullet points, organized sections. Not just a transcription, an actual guide built from what was in the notes. You can tell Gemini to go harder on the complex topics, focus on specific sections, or skip anything you already know. In the same chat, the photos are still in context. Just ask a follow-up. Turn the key concepts into flashcards. Question on one side, answer on the other. Gemini instantly formats everything as numbered flashcards. You can copy these into a notes app, print them out, or keep asking Gemini to go deeper on any card that needs more explanation. You can also ask Gemini to analyze the notes themselves. Which topic am I least prepared on? Gemini looks at the density and coverage of your notes and tells you where the gaps are. Or get a 5-bullet pre-meeting summary, short enough to read in 30 seconds right before you walk in the room. That's it. Photograph your notes, upload them to Gemini, and ask for whatever format helps you most. Study guide, flashcards, organized summary, or a 5-bullet cheat sheet. Free on the Gemini app, iPhone, Android, and web. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.